Yo ho ho, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to show you how to draw Olegmon from Digimon Fusion. If you must know, Olegmon is part of one of the 7 Dark Generals of Digimon Fusion. If you must know, Olegmon was the one who created Ballistamon in the first place when he was Dark Volumon. Anyways, during the series, he brainwashed Shoutmon, Spawnamon, Coronamon, and Lunamon, along with Greymon, Nightmon, Sparrowmon, and Cutemon, which was so embarrassing. My favorite part was when Sparrowmon said, "I'm tired of flying around into trouble for Nene's sake. I'm gonna go on vacation alone and kiss that girl goodbye." Mwah! And man, I didn't even know that she had legs. Did you guys even know that Sparrowmon had legs? I mean, seriously, legs. Anyways, if you must know, after besting Olegmon in battle, he decided to be friends with the Fusion Fighters. If you must know, Olegmon has 2 shadow-like spirits that watch over him. There's Surtur, his spirit of happiness, and Jormungandr, his spirit of sorrow and sadness. And well, anyways, he has his own crew. There's Deathmon, Mermaidmon, Marine Devamon. Let's see, what else? I don't know, man. That's pretty much it. And, oh yeah, he did include Dark Volumon. Did you know that Dark Volumon's signature move is Doomsday Woofer? Ballistamon learned that after he used Doomsday Woofer himself. Anyways, when you start drawing him, you must draw his head. And if you must know, he has a metal jaw. Okay, next up, you just gotta draw his beard here. I mean, his chest. Okay, so you just gotta connect these to this part up here. Connects this to his chest here. Next up, you gotta do is that you gotta take this part, you guys roll it down here. As you must know, this thing's a lock, and there, that's how it's done. Okay, there we go. Hold on a second, folks. I gotta look for something here. Let's see if I'm doing it right. Jeez, this place is a pigsty. What am I, cannon bolt? Okay, where is that thing? Oh yeah, I forgot. I'm supposed to be finishing this. Look for it after. Okay, workers. Okay, next up is his hair. There we go. Okay. Okay, almost done. There's his hand here. Okay, we're almost there. Next up is his other hand. There we go. Next thing is that you gotta do this. There. And there's his hair.
Hi.
And
this on again.
And that is how you draw Olegmon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh wait, forgot to add this part here. Anyways, that's all. Bye.